This 14th International Game Fishing Tournament in the Municipality of Pilar open.
Mapasigarbohong nga gisugdan ang kalihukan sa lungsod sa Pilar, kini ang ilang dakong garbo o kalipay ang kabibong dala sa opening program pa lang nga kung diin nagmalampuson ang seremonya, opening ceremony sa ika-14 ka-edisyon sa Siargao International Game Fishing Tournament. Dako usab ang nahimong papel ni Senator Lito Lapid isip honored guest nga naapirmi nagpaluyo sa mga Siargaonon. Congratulations sa entire munisipyo ng Pilar nga gipanguluhan ni Mayor Liza Resurrección sa Vice Mayor Jessa Gonzalez nga nagsilbi usab nga tournament director sa nasampit nga event. Gipasalamatan usab ni Congressman Bingo Matugas ang tanan ng mga anglers nga niapil sa mao nga kalihukan. Kagahapon, Abril 26 ing tuiga mao kining unang adlaw sa Siargao International Game Fishing Tournament o pagka Abril 27 o Abril 28 mao usab ang closing program sa maong dako nga kalihukan.
Together with Miss Ethel Matugas.
Ang kabahin sa pag-welcome ni Mayor Liza Resurrección sa maong mga bisita.
We are hosting the Game Fishing Tournament for its 14th year. And we are proud and I'm very happy that most of our anglers have come back to join us for this tournament. I want to assure you that we have been trying our very best to ensure that hopefully this year you would have a much better catch than last year. We've been coordinating closely with the Philippine Coast Guard and all the other agencies to ensure that way back we were already trying to protect our water so that the fish should be abundant when we start your game fishing tomorrow. The fishing tournament that is scheduled is actually a challenge for us in the local government unit of Pilar, especially because as a fifth-class municipality, the resources that we can allot for the game fishing tournament are very limited. But by God's grace, we have been blessed with a man who has always supported us through all the years, through the good and bad times. And I'd like to thank our congressman and Bagtik mo serbisyo, Congressman Bingo Matugas. It's not, as said, it's not about fishing alone. This is also a time for us Pilarnons to showcase not only our hospitality, but also the agricultural products of the 15 barangays of Pilar. That's why we have simultaneously held the Agri-Fair for this afternoon.
And it's all there, how it started. How we started this in 2008 with the full support of the Dean President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Gloria Arroyo. So it was her inspirational message at that time that propelled us to continue this international game fishing tournament. This milestone marks a journey of passion, dedication, camaraderie in the world of sports fishing. Over the past 14 years, this competition has not only showcased exceptional angling skills, but also fostered friendships and collaborations among anglers from around the globe. Each year, we witness thrilling moments, unforgettable catches and stories that resonate with the spirit of sportsmanship and adventure. So as we gather this afternoon, once again, on the vibrant shores of Pilar, we celebrate the unity of cultures, the beauty of nature, and the thrill of the chase.